Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the action button and keep holding it until the controls menu appears on the screen. Once you see the controls menu, scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the brightness icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, make sure to disable the auto brightness by tapping on this icon on the left side, the auto brightness icon, and once you disable the auto brightness, you can adjust the brightness by tapping on the icons right here on the top or the bottom of the screen. And once you adjust the brightness, you can press the back button to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.